Wanna be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me.
Hey guys, this week's video is going to be short and sweet. I haven't had time to put one together, so I'm just going to share some of the projects of my thrifted finds and some of those vignettes that have some of the thrifted finds in them. And I'm just going to set it to music, and I hope you enjoy. Have a wonderful week, and I'll see you again next Sunday.
I call you mine, think about you every time. I remember that it's over, yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot, it's almost like I can't stop, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay, it's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot, it's almost like I can't stop, yeah. I always knew that this would happen, yeah. You would find a new distraction. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Can we let go of tomorrow? Yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot, it's almost like I can't stop, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay, it's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot, it's almost like I can't stop, yeah.